Hey everybody, I'm Nancy Plants. Welcome back to my channel. It's reishi season, and reishis are not just for making tea. You can actually use it as a culinary mushroom, and I'm about to show you how. So this is a reishi that I got a hold of, and as you can see, there is a kind of softer, whiter edge and then the dark red inner part. So what we're going to do is separate the two. So I'm going to cut off the kind of tender white part. And set that aside. And then with a serrated knife, I'm going to cut up the kind of harder red inner part. So this part isn't really good for eating, but you can use this to make tea or to make broth. So I'm going to slice this up and put it into my dehydrator. And this is some reishi that I got last year and dehydrated. And I like to just put a couple pieces in when I'm making some vegetable broth. That's usually how I use it. It adds a really nice flavor to the vegetable broth. And reishi mushrooms are supposed to have some medicinal qualities. I won't get into that. I don't feel like that's my place, but if that's what you're into, there you go. So back to the tender part of the reishi. So if you pick them before they turn completely red, they'll be kind of a tender white outer part. And my favorite way to prepare this is so simple. I don't do a lot to it because it is so delicious and has such an interesting, firm, meaty texture that I literally will just spray a little oil onto a cast iron pan and just brown the reishis on either side. I can't believe how green and lush everything is, like all of a sudden. It feels like, I don't know, like 2 days ago when like there were no leaves on the trees and the grass was brown, and now everything is green and lush, and it's just exciting, but also like, where did the time go? I hope you're all enjoying this beautiful weather. And I'm working on my garden now, so I'm excited. It's looking better than it has in a couple of years so far. We'll see, because I do have a groundhog city right near my garden. But anyways, so I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of salt onto the reishis when they're hot, and that's like literally it. That's literally it. I'm just having this as a side dish to this like tofu stir fry. I just like to have it simple. It's so delicious. So I hope you get to try it. If not, that's okay too. Thanks for watching, and have a great day, and subscribe. Bye.